Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon eggs Benedict. First, let's get those eggs poaching. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, add a splash of vinegar, and carefully crack your eggs in. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes for that ideal runny yolk. While they're poaching, toast your English muffins to a lovely golden brown. This creates a sturdy base for our delicious Benedict. Next, let's prepare our salmon. You can pan-sear, bake, or even smoke it, depending on your preference. Aim for a flaky texture and a beautiful color. Now, for the star of the show, hollandaise sauce. Whisk 2 egg yolks with a tablespoon of lemon juice over a double boiler until light and fluffy. Gradually whisk in 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter until the sauce thickens. Season with salt and a pinch of cayenne pepper. With all our components ready, it's time to assemble this masterpiece. Place a toasted English muffin half on your plate. Top it with a generous slice of cooked salmon. Carefully place a perfectly poached egg on top of the salmon. Now, the best part. Generously drizzle that rich, creamy hollandaise sauce over everything. For a final touch, garnish with some fresh dill or chopped chives. Doesn't that look incredible? Your salmon eggs Benedict is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to savor the warm, runny yolk and the fresh flavors. This dish pairs wonderfully with a light-side salad or some roasted asparagus for a complete meal. It's perfect for a special brunch or a luxurious breakfast. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.